that. Boil it. Makes it easier to get the feathers off of it. Alright. Fresh duck. Nice clean duck. Duck adobo. Delicious. Duck, oops. Duck adobo. A lot of bones. Okay. Here's a piece of meat.
How is
Very
it?
good. Thumbs up. Very good. A lot of pepper and a lot of bones in there. That's good.
Oh, it is spicy.
It's spicy.
Oh,
Spicier than I'm used to for adobo. That's good. I think the pepper is what made me sneeze.